Hello guys, this is leathertoolz. Today I'm going to unbox Vergez Blanchard tools, and this is very new product, and I'm very happy to see the products they have thought about and they finally came out into products. Without further ado, let's open the box. So these are the older tools. You guys already know what this is, so let's just skip this. This thing is just a simple handle, I believe. Yep, it's just a simple handle that I need for repairing other tools. So let's just skip this also. These other three are very important in this topic, so we want to see it. So yeah, okay. Yeah, this is Blanchard edges. Yeah. So this is their edges. They had the edges before, of course, but this is their new type for much more fine leather crafting, I believe. So I'm going to talk about it detail in different videos, but today it's just going to unbox and just the initial sharpness testing video. So yeah, so this is their new edger made by Vergez Blanchard. So number one edger looks like this. Okay. And number two, the biggest one that I have purchased in this buy, looks like this. So just like this. So let's just do the cutting test right out of the box. So yeah, so definitely needs some sharpening on in the eye, but I'll just do the testing. So this is number 0. Okay, not bad, not bad. This is number 1. Cuts well. This is number 2. A little bit coarse, but then it cuts well too. So to my understanding, they are relatively finer edger than the old ones they had. It's not their first edger. They had also edger, but that was more suitable for saddlery. The older version were finer. Okay, so I will just have to compare these also. I was about to do this similar type of Vergez Blanchard edger video, and then they came out with a new tool, so I had to you know, take a look at it and see it, how it looks like. And it's going to be a very interesting video to compare how the old ones and the current ones, and how to sharpen this. I need to also learn. These are relatively new. So yeah, it's a new tool, and it's a relatively much suitable and finer than the other ones. So first impression, good. We'll have to look into detail, you know, how they perform and what they're like and stuff. So again, Vergez Blanchard tools. These are this unboxing video. Yeah, this one has the off-center hole, but you need to I need to fix it anyway, so yeah, it's okay. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.